Are you tired of people knowing when you've read their messages on Viber? Or perhaps you want to enable it for better communication? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore how to manage your seen status in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure your Viber app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Viber. If you see the update button, tap it to install the latest features and improvements. Keeping your app updated ensures the best performance and access to all settings. Once you're ready, open the Viber app. On the bottom menu, tap the More option. This will reveal a variety of settings. From there, navigate to Settings and select Privacy. Now, here's the key part. Locate the option labeled Send Seen Status. If you want to keep your activity private and stop others from seeing when you've read their messages, simply toggle the switch off. This can be super handy if you value your privacy or don't want to feel pressured to reply immediately. Changed your mind? No problem. To let people see your seen status again, just toggle the switch back on. It's that simple. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to take control of your messaging experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.